Well, there she is, boys and girls, all put back together. Now, of course, they still got to add all the fluids. They're changing the oil now, doing a bunch of other just small minor things. But there she is, all put back together. And there's my buddy. How's my buddy doing? You doing all right? He's a skittish dog, junkyard dog. Hey there, there's my other buddy. What's going on? How you doing, man? You doing good? Yeah, you doing good, that's right. That's right. I've known this dog for 5 years. That's right. You're a good dog. That's right. You've been all right. That's right. You gotta love that love and affection. Nice. Here's my other buddy. So when the black guy dog shows up, you show up, don't you? That's right, because you want love and affection too. That's right. All right. Getting there. That's been up here for 2 months, but that's fine. I'm in no hurry. As long as I know it's being worked on. Got to still deal with this tire. But they work on everything. Horse trailers, you name it, they work on it. I gotta get me some new mud flaps. Then get this dump bed painted black and the frame, but it's gonna go through a heavy degreasing and a power washing before I do all that. I'm gonna power wash the damn mess out of this thing. All right, new PTO pull-offs. Gotta get me a new seat, cover, pull that headliner out, clean the interior up and paint everything white. That yellow, paint the dash white, paint this blue door white. So I've got a lot of little body work to do in here. That's right. And I still gotta deal with that vacuum line. Oh yeah, I can see that's the thing that hasn't been hooked up yet. Okay, well there she is, boys and girls. That's right, you still come over here and love on me, right? That's right, yeah, you're a sweet dog. Not like your brother. That's right, you're a sweet dog. Okay. All right, so here we go. Truck's almost done. And I'll give you the final cost and everything once I know what the final bill is. Okay, guys, leave those comments as you always do. Y'all have a blessed day. There you go. Now I'll leave you with my little buddy. That's right. Say goodbye to all my friends on YouTube. That's right. Say goodbye to all my friends on YouTube. That's right.